So Rod, can you go through them with us?
Of course, of course. As you see here, it's very simple. We have 2 pounds of zucchini that's going to be cut into a dice, a smaller dice. We have 1 tablespoon of olive oil, 1 can of cannellini beans, drained and rinsed. You always want to rinse your beans to remove some of that sodium that it's packed with. 2 cups of fresh corn kernels. If you don't have corn kernels, you can fresh ones. You can actually use the ones that are frozen. That's fine. A half of a small red onion that's sliced. Half a cup of chopped fresh basil, some balsamic vinaigrette, which I showed you earlier. It's just going to be a simple ratio of 2 parts of olive oil to 1 part of balsamic vinegar. Mix it up, mix it well together. And then 3 cups of loosely packed arugula. In this instance, I use baby greens that were mixed.
Can you tell us like how many servings are right here? Should I eat this whole thing by myself? It looks a little big.
Yeah, this is a little big. So this is going to be for 4 people.
Okay,
Yeah,
gotcha. Okay, so 4 servings, and everybody will get their amount of nutrients that they need: the proteins, the fats, the sodium.
Yep, all of the nutrients are right in there.
Yeah.
So so this would make a perfectly balanced meal. So it has the right amount of carbohydrates, the right amount of fats, and the right amount of what am I missing? Proteins.